Hey, Abiba.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Ifo, sit down. Are you okay or honey? Or I should?
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
It's hot in here by raining.
There seem to be... Am I in the right place anyway? There seem to be some warmth here today.
Look at you.
What has changed?
Please, let me ask Sadia to get you water. Sadia! Madam! Please, bring a full water for me, yeah? Nothing.
Thank you.
Yes. No knowing Joseph was a fraud.
The coming of the Harmattan is always preceded by a major rain.
And Kwame Danger was a spy.
So, come again.
Apparently, it was Kwame Danger that was feeding the Osofo with all the information. And he comes here to spew them out like they were his own vision.
Yeah, I don't want to tell you that I told you so.
Hey.
Anyway, how did you find out?
So it's a long story, eh? It's a long story.
What is this world coming to? Able young-bodied men, instead of earning a decent living, prefer to indulge in, what do they call it? Sakawa.
Sakawa.
Abiba, look, during our time,
sir,
it wasn't what you have, but it was what you can do that mattered.
Sir?
Yes.
God will punish them.
But for the lamb, the lion would not be.
Ifo.
Yeah.
Alaya kambesu. Now only bra batama.
Anyway, honestly, I couldn't believe you were hoodwinked by that young man. It was so obvious. But to some extent, I don't blame the weakness of Grace. But not you. I thought you were more streetwise.
What has Grace done? Eh? What has Grace done? I could hear my name a mile away.
Grace.
Oh, Grace.
Gracie.
What is wrong?
Where's up?
You missed. What's wrong?
Where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere. And now I call me about fear. Now we'll get my ben or coffee two fear and pub one now.
Abiba jai. Ah, I heard you came. But I was looking for Osofo. I was looking for Osofo for 3 days now. I haven't seen him. 21 days fasting, Mary. I haven't seen him. The special water that he's giving to me is finished.
Me blona monsieur. Nkeke le dazudo me gbe.
Look at you. Oweji. Me Tonya enu esia. Enye weji mu look at you. Look at your food na mele na akọ. Doto.
Osofo Joseph is no more.
Jesus! What happened to him?
He has been defrocked.
What have you done to Osofo? What have you done to Osofo? What have you done to my Osofo?
Grace, not knowing Osofo Joseph was a fraud. He was working with Kwame Danger. That's how come he knew so much about us. Until person said me no one sem no.
Why?
Why this sudden face?
Isn't it about my son?
What about Jojo now?
Abiba, isn't it about the bad grades he's having in school? Last time he had all F's. F's in chains. Now I have to go to the school and sign a bond. Otherwise they'll sack him.
They are sacking him because he's failing? That's not right.
Oh, Abiba.
Why is it called a school? If there is no room for one to make mistakes and learn from them.
They are not his mother and father, so they want to sack him. I don't blame them. And you know, ni papa na why you know who a breachy bema? Na emato.
Why na you choose of? Madam.
Hey, this is impossible. Unbelievable. Osofo said it. He said it. The devil is a liar.
Who said what?
Osofo said it. He said one day you persecuted like a common criminal.
Margaret Dash and Piffle, or is it Baloney?
Oh, me there's a drama, the grandma, no, I'm you know. Look, you see, Osofo said he will be accused falsely by the devil just to spoil his good works.
Please, what good works?
What good
This
works?
vituperate prayers or the theatrics? Which one?
Yeah, he's powerful. He is powerful. But you ask Abiba. Abiba, didn't he predict about you? Abiba.
All lies. Kwame Danger was the one feeding him with all those informations.
Yeah, Abiba, you are ungrateful. Just like cousin. You know. Okay. So what about you?
Which business? That one day show. Probably they orchestrated that one as well.
Madam. Hey. So madam, welcome back. Auntie Abiba.
Madam Abiba.
Auntie Abiba, I want
Abiba.
the big size.
Abiba.
Oh,
Please give me a packet of London Brown.
no, my own.
Give me a packet of London Brown.
Auntie Abiba.
Madam.
Abiba. What's shocking me?
Grace.
Oh yeah, Bonia yeah. I remember when you used to jump for joy when at his sight.
That one day show. Grace pa. Your eyes are closed. Listen, at that time, na me niya kata. See, me niya to say why.
Hey, okay. Me dear, my eyes are so closed.
We can tell.
Oh, Gracie, look at Joe.
Eh?
After all this overwhelming evidence, I can't believe you still hold on to these illusions. Or is it mirage?
Call it whatever you like. Call it whatever you like. Me, I see reality. Because of Osofo, same thing comes home every night. Yeah, what am I going to do, my God? What am I going to do? Oh, abide with me, fast for the evening tide. Hey, I'm going to look for Osofo. I am going to look for my savior. Sandeleya kasandolo bakasande he sandeleya hey sandeleya bakasande.
Asafo, Josephus.
Charlie?
Really?
The guy has absconded.
Absconded? Oh, where will he go?
But he's taking all his clothes. The chicken. He's been acting cold recently. You know he's not eating for the past 3 days.
You don't mean it.
Sorry. I have a bad feeling about this.
Skiddo, relax. Relax. Why are you guys so finicky? See, it is in the heat of battle that a man is born.
Spare me danger. Spare me that one. You don't realize the gravity of the situation, eh? If that woman decides to go to the police, now Osofutu is missing.
So?
We have to mount a search party.
See, I am as constant as the northern star. There he is.
Why would Osofu knock on his own door? He knows the door is not locked. Think. Go to the ant and learn its ways. Be very, very, very wise. Save during the time of plenty, so you do not starve during famine. God is so wonderful that He created man and woman in His own image. So don't let any man become your God.
Thank you. I've learnt my lessons.
Don't worry. Just be your caring and diligent self. And pray directly to God. Now for the good news.
Good news?
Yes.
Hey.
I've spoken to my people about you.
Which people?
Yeah.
You need credit.
Yes. They were highly impressed when I showed them your savings profile. They are ready to give you the facility, but they only take your stock as collateral.
Fantastic! So what next, Efo?
The ball is in your court. Whenever you are ready, I'll take you there. They are ready to process your loan within 48 hours.
They are ready to process my loan under 48 hours?
Yes.
Then the expansion of this is going to be a reality. Why not? Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Hey.
All right.
For then take care.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you. You more